Using a Greenlight card at an ATM is a straightforward process that allows you to withdraw cash from your account. To begin, ensure you have a Greenlight card and a personal identification number, or PIN, associated with it. First, locate an ATM near you. Most ATMs will have the logos of accepted card networks such as Visa or MasterCard on the machine. Since Greenlight cards are typically part of these networks, you should be able to use it at most ATMs. Next, insert your Greenlight card into the ATM. Make sure it is properly aligned with the card reader and the magnetic strip is facing the correct direction. The ATM will then prompt you to enter your PIN. Type in your PIN carefully and accurately, as incorrect entries may result in your card being locked. After entering your PIN, select the option to withdraw cash from your account. Choose the account type, such as checking or savings, and the amount you wish to withdraw. Be aware of any daily withdrawal limits and fees associated with using an ATM. Once you have confirmed the withdrawal details, the ATM will dispense the cash. Take your cash, card, and receipt, and verify that the transaction was successful. It is essential to keep your Greenlight card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. When using an ATM, cover the keypad with your hand when entering your PIN to prevent others from viewing it. Additionally, be mindful of any fees associated with using an ATM, such as out-of-network fees or foreign transaction fees. Check your Greenlight card agreement to understand the terms and conditions of using your card at an ATM. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use your Greenlight card at an ATM to withdraw cash when you need it. Always prioritize the security of your account and card information to protect yourself from potential risks.